Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download videos on Instagram. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Instagram on your device. Once you are at the home page, select the video you want to download and tap the three dots at the top right of the video. On the pop-up, tap Copy Link. Once you copy the link of the video, open a web browser on your device and go to snapinsta.app. This is an online Instagram downloader, so paste the link that you copied and tap Download. Once the video has processed, tap Download Video. Next, open the downloaded file and tap the three dots at the bottom right. Tap Download. And that's how you download videos on Instagram. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.